Warning, next images you're about to see might be triggering for you if you're a poser on Instagram acting like you know about welding. So what did I learn? I learned I need to practice more. I learned I need to listen to the sound of the welding to understand what's going on better. I learned that I need a pedal so I can actually control the amperage while I'm welding. That hand trigger shit is not working. It's working, but it's not fun to use. So only it will just make me not want to weld because I don't have enough control to enjoy welding. I did enjoy welding TIG way more than arc welding. So if I get everything right and practice more, I should probably be getting better by the end of 2025, I guess. I hope you learned something from this video. I didn't hide anything. You can see everything, any horrible welds that's there. One of the welds over here, the first one I started that I wasn't actually recording. I did blow a giant hole and the whole thing just opened up, and then I had to fill in that whole crater, Earth-size giant hole, to make it look good again, and you'll see it right here. I'll put it on the screen, how bad it was. So please like the video, subscribe, and share with someone that might learn or like something about this video. And see you on the next video. Bye.